Crusher, Tina Tran, crushing birds all over the land.
So a long, long time ago, all us birds used to fly freely through the sky. Sometimes we'd run into windows, but we mostly knew what we were doing. Then one day, from the depths of the Academy of Sciences, came Tina Tran.
Wow.
And she would crush us birds when we'd fall or run into windows, whatever.
Oh.
First, it started out with genetically inferior birds, like pigeons. And then it moved on to crows, whatever type of bird we're supposed to be.
Oh, let's go out.
Flock of seagulls, big bird. She couldn't stop herself. It became an addiction.
Oh, sure.
Yeah.
Oh. Bird crusher.
Oh,
Crushing birds.
Baby bird,
all
don't sing
over
that.
the
She'll
land.
hear you.
She'll hear you.
Birds must cry.
She's coming.
Oh no! No! Baby bird, you must call the alligator to save us.
Oh.
We need Claude to save us.
By the powers of Claude, I invest these. Quack!
Crusher, Tina Tran, crushing birds all over the land. Stomping here, stomping there. Tina's killing birds